Tonight, a Killeen mother is demanding justice now after a driver hit and then killed her son back in 2022. Rhonda Taylor says it took 5 entire days for authorities to notify her that her son had died.
The driver isn't facing any charges. 6 News reporter Sydney DeShawn spoke to the judge about why she ruled that the elements were not met for a felony and the mother of the victim. Sydney?
Chris, Lindsay, it's heartbreaking for any mother to hear your child was killed in a traffic collision from an unexpected autopsy report call. This was all a reality for Rhonda Taylor.
Kevin would be upset with me if I gave up.
Inside the doors of this apartment, a Killeen mom is fighting for answers while grieving the loss of her 38-year-old son, Kevin Gordon.
He had been gone for about 5 days. And me and a friend of mine, we kind of laughed about it and say, he got him a woman. He's sick of you, Mom.
Rhonda Taylor didn't suspect anything was wrong until she got an unexpected phone call.
I got a call from Judge Cook giving me autopsy result on my son. I didn't know my son had been killed.
Her son was struck and killed by a driver while walking to his favorite convenience store. Debbie Garrett, assistant district attorney in Bell County, says the defendant stopped immediately.
He actually helps to try to give life-saving measures while the person behind him calls 911.
But the defendant initially told police a different vehicle hit Gordon. Police learned later that wasn't true based on video from a nearby convenience store.
However, in order to meet accident involving death, he would have had to not stopped. The elements were not met for the felony. And I can certainly understand a family being devastated by the loss, of their loved one. But my job as a prosecutor is to seek justice, not to seek conviction.
Taylor is frustrated with the policies and procedures and claims she has still not seen video evidence of what all happened.
They're making me and my family feel like we're nothing, and I've sowed seeds in this city.
And now she is pushing for change.
We have a right to know how my son had been killed on a public roadway if that's what really happened.
Now, the driver of the vehicle met with Taylor as part of a restorative justice program. Taylor still feels justice has not been served. She is hoping to reopen the case for personal closure.
All right, Sydney, thank you so much for that report.